Okay class. Today we will be learning math. So little brown bear, what is 414 divided by 6?
6 7. Hey 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 ha.
Oh. Little brown bear. How dare you say that? That is the wrong answer and that is annoying. That's it. You will go to jail. Go. There. Now.
Screw you, Mrs. Martin. I hope you die.
You are expelled. And the police will be there to arrest you. You stupid worthless piece of shit. Sorry about that outbreak, class. I just hate that spoiled brat so much. But anyways, can y'all just open your math books to page 68?
Hey Mrs. Martin, can I use the bathroom?
Ugh. Whatever, Rosie. Make it quick.
Are we not going to talk about the voice change?
At this point, I don't care.
Man, school is very boring, but what should I do? I will pull the fire alarm, but our school is different. If you break the fire extinguisher glass, the alarms will go off instantly. Good thing I have a hammer, ha ha.
Rosie. Why are you scheming?
Nothing.
Tell me the truth. Right. Freaking. Now.
Okay fine, you caught me. I broke the fire extinguisher case and pulled the fire alarm. I am so sorry. Please do not get mad at me. W-A-A-A-A.
Oh my freaking god. Rosie, 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 Rosie. How dare you break school property and pull the fire alarm? That is it. Go to jail with the kind officer right now. Now. GRRR.
Oh my gosh, Daddy, are you going to bail me out?
No, how dare you damage school property and pull the fire alarm? That is so IT. You are grounded for 5, 6, 5, 4, 7, 3, 9, 7, 5, 3, 5, 7, 8, 3, 5, 7, 3, 2, 3, 9, 5 years. And when you get out of jail, punishment day.
No. Daddy, please come back. Why?